Alright, it's roly poly. Fucking boat. Bikes and boats in the middle of the school. I've got a flat tire on my other bike, so I'm riding this bike today. Same bike, both networks. Shout out down Crook. Alright. Okay, drop us a bar spin. Go, bar spin. Cheer, Barrett. Mr. Kate. Look at the bikes. We just got to the fucking skate spot, boys, but it's all filled up with fucking glass everywhere. I don't know if you can see it shining, but fam, it's everywhere. Looks like a cheese grater. Someone just came down, because we were here the other day having a little ride, and someone came down and just like fucking smashed like bottles everywhere. So it's just like, no bikes allowed right now. I'm gonna come down next time with the broom and clean it up. But I'm eyeing up this spot right here in the middle. So it's like the curb ramp, and then there's this kicker here. It comes down, there's a kicker over there, it's a bit dark. And then I'm like eyeing up a spot right just in the middle there. I might put a box just so we can get a bit more speed coming back in this way. I reckon it should be fine. But glass everywhere. Right now it's just not nice. Alright, boys.
Hey, you guys are watching Bird Up, the worst show on television.
Cobra chicken. Oh, he spotted me.
Superman, come on in. What's your favorite movie?
No, don't put my shit up.
What's your all right,
What's
just
my favorite movie?
Talk to me like I'm Osama bin Laden.
Come on, don't do that.
No, they won't even see me. It just look like your shirt's lifting up. All right, talk to me like I'm Osama bin Laden.
My shirt lift up. All right, that's it.
Yeah. Bird Up. Hey, what's up, man? Ignore me, I'm not even here. Bird Up. Come talk to me, man. Bird Up.
It's a nice little bump jump here. I'll try that in a sec. And ledge. And then we got this ledge thing. And if you're good, a ledge on that side. So this is the ledge up there. It's flat. The two stairs down here can gap off into the thing. Then there's that gap as well. And the ledge. Then down there is another ledge, which is just like right there. So that looks dope. It's a little bit busy in the weekdays, but yeah, it's pretty slick. Try and do get a little couple of lines in, eh, boys? Alright, boys, chuck the GoPro on to do a quick little line. Wait for the cars. Chucked the GoPro on to do a quick little line around the street spot that we just found. Sland. Sland. Alright. Still a bit squirrely, but check it out. Whee! Well, that was fucking fun. Where you going, mate? Sorry.
Good save though. Staying on your feet.
I didn't know where that truck man was going. It's a bit windy. Bit windy. I'm gonna just go down this little. I was gonna go down this little hill. Oh, fuck me. Oh, that's right, that thing. So, we're out here today. I was out riding the other bike yesterday, so I had a flat, but Kelly's riding it today. This bitch!
It looks so bad.
Yeah, hard. Just didn't want to do the school pickup, eh?
Yeah, he didn't even want to slow down for that speed bump.
Fucking A,
But I
dude.
know that feeling. Hello!
I'm just going to do that thing. There's 2 gats there. I'm going to try and hit it. Don't need that much speed for this one. Go around that way. Cool. Went a bit on the grass there because I didn't line it up properly.
Oh, yeah.
But we good. I'm going to come back over. Oh.
Yeah, my. You little daredevil.
Lucky he was indicating and turning. Ah, you're on your helmet. You got your helmet on. Fuck him. Yep.